Lot S62 is a 1972 Dodge Charger with a 318 cubic inch V8 engine and an automatic transmission, and it bid to $30,000 on Saturday, June 6th. And I'll read from the Magnum website. Odometer reads 43,423 miles, and the highlights are 318 cubic inch V8 engine, automatic transmission, power steering, power brakes, 5-spoke styled road wheels, Cooper Cobra white letter tires, blue exterior, black vinyl roof, blue interior, air conditioning, bench seat, and simulated wood grain interior accents. And it was a good-looking car in the B5 blue, that's for sure, especially with the Magnum 500 wheels. And the bench seat may have hurt it, I guess, but that seemed to be the money to me, $30,000. So it wasn't enough for the seller, so he took her back home. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos of the 700 plus videos that I have on my channel, Car Finder. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.